touch the blue bag. Here we go. Ready, set, hit.
Drive him down. Good.
Next group. Ready, set, hit.
Good job.
Good.
Nice, Luke. Ready.
Hold on. He's asking what he does. All right, your job is to
Hustle.
get here.
Out of the drill.
6 shooters. Get under here and extend it and look for the ball. Don't stand up. But you try to look around and then throw him away. You don't grab there because you'll get stuck in there. Just keep him away from you and then throw him away. Try to throw him away. And then make the tackle. Shoulder, face up, shoulder into his numbers. Face up, off to the side.
Here we go. Ready, set, hit.
Come on, stay with it. Okay.